We will talk about some drugs from CNS stimulants category. The first drug is caffeine. As you can see the structure, this is 137 trimethylxanthine. So this numbering starts from this nitrogen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 137 trimethylxanthine. The next drug is nicotinamide. Now this is nicotinamide. You have a 6-member ring containing nitrogen and CONH2, that is your nicotinamide. And on this nitrogen you have CH2CH3 CH2CH, that is NN-diethyl nicotinamide. So nicotinamide is NN-diethyl nicotinamide. Now we will talk about some adrenergic and cholinergic drugs. First drug is adrenaline. Now as you can see this adrenaline structure, you have ethanol, CHOH, CH2. This is on one position we have dihydroxyphenyl group, and here we have methyl amino group. So the name of adrenaline will be 1,3,4-dihydroxyphenyl 2-methyl amino. This is methyl amino ethanol. Okay, so this is ethanol. CH2CHOH is ethanol. So here we have one. On one we have 3,4-dihydroxyphenyl, and here it is methyl amino ethanol. The second drug from this category is isoprenaline. Isoprenaline is only difference between these two structures is CHOH, CH2, NH, CH, CH3 twice. That means in adrenaline we have methyl substitution, and here we have isopropyl substitution. So the name of isoprenaline is 1,3,4-dihydrophenyl 2-isopropyl amino. This is 1, 2. Again similarly we have 1 here and 2. So on 2 second carbon we have isopropyl amino group, and then it is ethanol. The next structure is ephedrine. Ephedrine is C6H5 CHOH, CH, and HCH3. So this is 2-methyl. On 2 we have methyl amino phenyl 1-propanol. Now here it will be 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 is propane. On 1 you have OH, that means propanol. So it is propanol. So on the second second carbon we have methyl amino group. So this is 2-methyl amino 1-phenyl. This is propanol. Now let us talk about the next drug, that is propranolol. Propranolol is, this is naphthyl. Two benzene rings joined together is naphthalene. So this is naphthalene, and then you have O. Okay, so naphthyloxy. Now here it is CH2 CHOH CH2 NH CH CH3 twice. Again this is isopropyl amino group. Here we have naphthyloxy, and this is 1, 2, 3. That means it is propanol. So we will write the name of propranolol as, parent will be propranolol, and here on one position we have isopropyl amino substitution. On third carbon we have naphthalene group, naphthyloxy, propane, and OH group is on the second carbon atom. So name of propranolol is 1 isopropyl amino, 3 1 naphthyloxy, propane, 2 all. Clear? Then we have neostigmine. In neostigmine we have, see we have 3 methyl groups on nitrogen, and here it is, now C6H5NH2 is aniline. Okay, anilinium bromide. This is anilinium bromide. So it is 2, on 3 we have dimethyl carbamoyl, OCON, NH carbamoyl oxy, NNN trimethyl anilinium bromide. So neostigmine is 3 dimethyl carbamoyl oxy, NNN trimethyl anilinium bromide. We will discuss some drugs from diuretics category. First one is furosemide. Now as you can see you have C6H5 Cl, paraposition to Cl we have COH. Then SO2NH2, paraposition we have NH, CH2, and this is furan. So how we have to nomenclature this? We have 4 chloro. So So numbering starts from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chloro. On N nitrogen you have furfuryl amino. 5 sulfamoyl, and this is anthranilic acid. The second drug is hydrochlorothiazide. The numbering starts from, so you have NH, SO2, then you have SO2NH2 and Cl. So the numbering starts from sulfur. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 8. Okay, so now this is 6 chloro, 3, 4 dihydro, 2H, 1, 2, 4. Now why it is 1, 2, 4? Because see, in this ring, this is sulfur at 1, nitrogen, and fourth again you have nitrogen. So 1, 2, 4 benzothiazide, 7 sulfonamide, 1, 1 dioxide. Then in diuretics we have urea, that is NH2, C double bond O NH2, that is carbonyl diamide. Let us talk about some cardiovascular drugs. We have ethyl nitrite, CH3CH2ONO. We call it as nitrous ether. Then we have alpha methyl dopa. As you can see, you can also draw it like this. So now this is 3,4-dihydroxy, and this molecule is alanine. Okay, so we can write alpha methyl dopa as levo 3,4-dihydroxyphenyl 2-methyl alanine. Let us talk about some hypoglycemic drugs. The first one is chloropropamide. Now this is NH2, CONH2 is urea. Okay, on urea we have propyl substitution, so this is propyl urea. And in urea we have 1 parachlorobenzene substitution, so we have 1 parachlorobenzene sulfonyl 3-propyl urea, that is chloropropamide. Then we will talk about fenformin. Fenformin is C6H5CH2CH2, so you have phenyl ethyl, and this structure is bigonide. What is bigonide? NH, C double bond NH, NH, C double bond NH, NH2. This is your bigonide structure, and this is your phenyl ethyl group. So fenformin is 1 phenyl ethyl bigonide. We have the next drug, that is menadione. This is naphthaquinone molecule. Okay, so in naphthaquinone we have 2-methyl, and in naphthaquinone we have 1 and 4th position we have the double bond O. So we call this as 1,4 naphthaquinone. So it is 2-methyl 1,4 naphthaquinone. Let us talk about some local anesthetic drugs. First one we have lignocaine. Now this is C6H5CH3CH3NH COCH2NET2. So 2 ethyl groups on nitrogen, and this is dimethyl phenyl acetamide. Now what is acetamide? CH3CONH2 is acetamide. Now we have N 2-diethyl amino. On N we have 2,6-dimethyl phenyl. This is acetamide. Okay, so I repeat this. We have 2-diethyl amino, N 2,6-dimethyl phenyl acetamide, that is lignocaine. The other drug from this category is procaine. Now in this procaine we have C6H5NH2. On this para position we have COOCH2CH2 and ethyl twice. So it is 2-diethyl amino ethyl para amino benzoate. Then we talk about histamine and antihistaminic drugs. The first drug is diphenhydramine. Now here diphenhydramine structure you have CH phenyl twice, OCH2CH2 N methyl twice. Now this is 1-dimethyl amino 2-diphenyl methoxy. Now this is ethane. Okay, diphenyl methoxy, right? And here it is 1,1-dimethyl amino. On first carbon you have dimethyl amino, and this side we have 2 on second carbon diphenyl methoxy, and this is ethane. we have thyroxine and antithyroid drugs. Thyroxine structure will be 33-55- tetraiodothyronine. So this is CH2, CH and H2COOH is thyronine, and here we have 3. So this numbering starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now for this it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this will be 3 dash and this will be 5 dash. So 3, 3 dash, 5, 5 dash, tetraiodothyronine. The antithyroid drug is methimazole, that is imidazole. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. You have 1 and 3 nitrogen. So on nitrogen you have methyl. So it is N-methyl or 1-methyl, imidazole, 2-thiol. Let us talk about some NSAIDs, that is non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. We have first drug aspirin, that is COOH, and then we have OCOCH3. This is acetoxy. This is 2-acetoxy benzoic acid, that is aspirin. Then we have paracetamol. We have OHC6H5 NHCOCH3, that is on N. We have, this is your acetamide, CH3CONH2 is acetamide. On acetamide, on nitrogen we have this para-hydroxyphenyl group. So we write this paracetamol as N,4-hydroxyphenyl acetamide. The next drug is endomethacin. In endomethacin we have, this is your indole, acetic acid. In indole we have benzene, and to this attach 5-membered nitrogen ring and CH2COOH. So this is indole acetic acid. Now if you see the numbering, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 5-methoxy 2-methyl group, and on 1 we have parachlorobenzoyl. So the name of endomethacin will be 1-parachlorobenzoyl, 5-methoxy 2-methyl 3-YL indole acetic acid. The next drug is pethidine. Pethidine is, we have NCH3. This is piperidine ring, and on the 4th position we have phenyl. One is phenyl group, other is COO CH2CH3. So we call it as ethyl 1-methyl 4-phenyl piperidine 4-carboxylate. And the last drug is phenylbutazone, that is, we have pyrazolidine, and 3,5-dione structure is there in phenylbutazone. So we have 1 phenyl, we have 2 phenyl, 3 and 5 we have double bond O, and on 4th we have butyl group. Okay, so we name it as 4-N-butyl 1,2-diphenyl pyrazolidine 3,5-dione.